Akalain nyo itong isa, humanly speaking, hindi na pwedeng manganak. Advanced in years. Sobra ng senior citizen. And then the other one was a neneng, dalaginding, hindi pa naman nagkaroon ng any physical relationship with Joseph, the fiancé. At para sa mga Hudyo, ang babaeng hindi nanganak ay cursed. Sinumpa. Kasi ang mga Hudyo naniniwala, we are the chosen people. And remember God's instruction to us, go forth and multiply. How can you multiply wala kang anak? You are cursed. Ganun din para sa isang neneng na hindi pa nanganganak. Wala ka pang contribution sa God's people. Hindi ka pa nakapagdagdag. Anong ambag mo? So para sa kanila, si Mama Mary was also baliwala. Kaya pumunta rin si Mama Mary is to share with her cousin great joy. Nagkaroon sila ng dignity. They realized they were two women who had experienced miracles from one Savior.